What's up, friends, and welcome back to my channel. So this week I'm in a new city with a new camera and a new round of Viome test results. But this time, it's not just about the results. Viome has debuted a new line of personalized supplements that go along with their new round of testing. Viome is no longer just a gut test. It's really becoming a full body analysis, taking a look at things like your mitochondrial health and biological age. I sat down with founder Naveen Jain to talk about all of these updates. And so in this video, I'll be sharing all the details around Viome's new health intelligence test, including how it works, what you get, and why I think Viome is the best subscription supplement service out there right now. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My mission is to help you achieve success without sacrificing your health or happiness. I do product reviews weekly, so if you're into this, click that subscribe button and join the Type A tribe. So let's kick things off with a quick introduction to Viome and how it works. Now, I've talked a lot about this service on my channel in the past, and so if you want to learn more, I'll include some links to those videos in the show notes below. But here is the 30-second SparkNotes version. Viome's flagship program is their gut intelligence test. You send away a stool sample, and what you get back is a detailed breakdown of what is happening in your microbiome, including food and supplement recommendations. Now, if you told me 5 years ago that microbiome testing would become a hot topic of 2020, I probably would have laughed. But yet here we are. And I think the reason Viome has caught on, at least for me, is because of simplicity. The test is super easy to do, and your results are even easier to understand. And it's in this spirit of simplicity that Viome has developed a new line of products, personalized supplements, but more on that in a sec. First, let's get to the basics of their health intelligence test and what it really entails. In addition to your microbiome, this test also takes a look at your cell and mitochondrial health, which can really impact so many of your biological functions, including heart health, metabolism, and even long-term brain health. So what you're really getting from this test is a bigger picture of what's happening in your body at the cellular level, based on the expression of your genes right now. Because while your DNA never changes, the expression of those genes change over time and based on your environment, which is why epigenetics has become such a hot topic right now. So back to the test itself, and inside the health intelligence kit, you'll find both a blood and stool sample test. Now, the stool sample is straightforward and I will spare you the details, but I will say that for the blood test, it does require quite a bit of blood. So make sure you have multiple fingers handy and ready to prick to fill up those vials. But once you ship these samples back and fill out your online questionnaire, the results usually come in around 3 to 4 weeks. And again, Viome keeps things very simple and straightforward by giving you a score out of 100 based on all your individual markers. And to show you what I mean, let's take a quick peek at my results. So as you'll see here, my total health is pretty middle of the road. For gut health, I actually trended a little higher than my last test, but still fell short of my first score of 60 back in 2019. The rest of my scores, including cell, mitochondria, immune system, and stress response, all need a little bit of work as well. And to help with that, Viome gives you a list of specific food and supplement recommendations based on your data, which leads me to their precision supplement line. Viome now gives you the option to buy supplements directly through them, rather than having to do all the legwork yourself. But these aren't just your standard run-of-the-mill multivitamins. These supplements are 100% customized to your specific needs based on your most recent Viome test. Now, personalized supplements are certainly not new. There are dozens upon dozens of companies offering supplements as a service these days, including Baze Nutrition, which I actually tried earlier this year and also requires a blood sample. But for me, what sets Viome apart from all these other companies is really two major factors, and that is ingredients and dosage. So in the mail each month, you'll get a fairly sizable box with 30 prepackaged pill packs and powdered prebiotics. Jam-packed into my supplement box are nearly 40 different ingredients, from trimethylglycine to butterbur root extract, and about a dozen others I can't pronounce or have never heard of. And when you take a look at the ingredients, you'll see everything is micro calculated literally down to the exact milligram. Now, in terms of cost, the service does start at $60 a month with different levels of pricing tiers from there. Now, when compared to Viome, the service that Baze Nutrition offers is around the same price, but their supplement packets pale in comparison with just 5 simple ingredients that I can pretty much find anywhere. It's pretty packaging, but not quite as personalized. So how does Viome pull this off? Well, using algorithms and machine learning, they've engineered these formulas down to a science using a catalog of nearly 400 different ingredients. Now, I recently had the chance to sit down with founder Naveen Jain on a recent episode of the Beauty and the Biohacker podcast that I co-host with Rachel Varga. Now, we talked all things microbiome and gut health, including Viome's history and the future of AI. And when it comes to precision supplements, Naveen says some of the ingredients might actually surprise you.
We tell you, hey, avoid strawberry because strawberry is going to cause you the histamine response. However, the ingredient of strawberry called fisetin is really good antioxidative. We're going to put the fisetin in the supplement for you, but you're going to still avoid the strawberry. Or you may have a tomato virus in your gut. So we're going to say avoid eating tomatoes, but we're going to take the lycopene and put that in the supplement for you, right? So it could be the foods that may be bad for you, but the ingredients of that could be good for you, or in the other way around.
And included in their subscription plan is the ability to retest every 6 months. And then based on your results, Viome will change up your monthly formulas. And that really gets back to the heart of what I talked about earlier in this episode that keeps me coming back to Viome. And that is simplicity. Supplements can be a really tricky thing. It's based a lot around your diet, but also how well your body absorbs certain nutrients. And honestly, it's sometimes hard to know if supplements are actually working because unlike nootropics, you don't really feel different after a couple of days or weeks. But the point of them is to achieve a state of homeostasis or balance in the body. And for me, the only way to really know what pieces are missing from the puzzle that is my health is by looking at data. And so yes, I think Viome is a great option for helping solve that for me. But I would even encourage you to not stop there. Get a full blood panel done. Understand your insulin response and genetic predispositions. Get to know yourself better with concrete data. I mean, this might be a video about Viome and their supplements, but at the end of the day, it's not really about the company. It never is. It's about the end result. And that end result is better health for this crazy adventure we call life. And before I go, I just wanted to say a quick thank you to each and every one of you for your phone calls, your text messages, DMs, all the love and support that you have shared with me and my fiance Jasper in the past month and a half. It has been a really difficult road for us, and it has ended in a loss. But despite the sadness and the grief that we've gone through, we've also had a lot of love. Love is really the only way that we're gonna get through anything in life, honestly. Love for others, love for strangers, family, and love for yourself, right? When you love yourself, you take care of yourself, you take care of your health, you know when things are going wrong in your body, you're in tune. I could go off and maybe I'll make a video about this, but just remember that as times continue to get tougher and, this has been a trying year for so many. Find love in little things in life and, it'll get you through. So my love to all of you. And, I cannot wait to catch you on the next one.